Happy Tuesday, everyone. It is day 2 of Sign Carvers of the Day, or SCOTD's week. So you saw Monday. Hopefully you saw that yesterday. Today's we're going to go through another 25 awesome, really spectacular Sign Carvers of the Day, and then we'll do another one tomorrow and another one the day after that. We're going to get caught up one way or the other. All right, let's rock and roll. Here we go. Hans Nygaards from Sweden. Sorry about the shakiness there. He's only been carving for a few months. So that is really, really good. I like the natural look. You can't see it from a long ways away, but I really like the natural look. And it looks like he's using like a flat bottom bit. Very nice job, Hans. Ron Ferguson, very first sign. So let me explain what's going on this. He made 2 signs. He put them back to back, but he cut all the way through, like used a spiral upcut or something like that. And then he used a piece of sanded Lexan in between, and he added solar lights. So when you see that thing at night, that completely lights up. I did have a picture of it, but I didn't print it out. It really looks cool. So that's actually 2 signs back to back with a piece of sanded Lexan in between with solar lights. And it looks really, really cool. I really got to try something like that. That's really a neat idea. For our first sign, great job, Ron. Bill and Karen Green. Check out this 24-inch round. Beautiful job. And those rounds are not easy to carve. There's some really fine detail in there. Beautiful painting job. Great job, you guys. Jason Harrison. Bless you.
Sorry.
Bless you too, Jason. Jason Harrison, so he made this for him and his wife, his 3 kids, and his 3 grandkids. I like the outset letters on the ribbon signs. I really haven't done a lot of that, but it's a lot of work, but it really looks cool. Great job, Jason. And my papers are going everywhere. Jay Ginsberg, 9-inch by 14-inch poplar. And this was made for his deck. The tiki signs are really popular lately. Yeah. Really popular. Great job. That's a really good market. Great job, Jay. Oh, check this one out. This is freaking cool. That is really, really cool. Great job, Keith Smith. I love the artwork. That is a great version of taking a black and white and getting the maximum out of it. Just looks spectacular job, Keith. Chad Spaldinger, excuse me. That's another big niche. If you're in an area that the Bigfoot stuff sells, that's a really cool, cool sign, Chad. I like it. Okay, so this is John and his nephew, Dylan Smith, 14 years old. They started a small business, McBee's Custom Signs, in Cowan, Texas. How cool is that? Very good job. Nice collaboration, John and Dylan. Love it. Keep up the great work, guys. Man, this one's really cool. Alan Wages. I think it's Wages. This is 3.5 foot square. I'm not sure if it's all carved. You know, the picture doesn't really tell me, but it almost looks like some scroll work, overlay work. I can't really tell, but it almost has a 3-dimensional look to it. But terrific job, Alan. It looks spectacular. Another really cool one. Brian Collins.
Oh, that's a lot of work.
That is a lot of work. Marine Corps logo is amazing. Really cool detail, man. Beautiful job. Love it. Looks like it's on pine. Great job. Pete Redmond. So what do we got going here? Oh, yeah. This is a colonial type chair from Virginia. And the first 8 colonies make up the snake. The seat says "Join or Die," taken from a leaflet at the time, around the Revolution time. So if you look at it, each one of those pieces of the snake has the 2-letter state on it. Great job, Pete. Really cool. Again, another really cool niche. Our buddy Frank Jenkins. So this is 1x12, 4 1x12 boards, laminated, printed it, spraying kills from the critter, and enamel was brushed on. Is that gorgeous or what? I believe that's the owner of the business with Frank there.
Jitterbean.
Jitterbean. Yeah. Great job, Frank. There's a reason you're staying super busy down there. You got a lot of great work out there. Van Devers, or Devers, I'm not sure. He started 4 years ago making these for grandbabies for their first birthday. This is his number 3. So he makes one every time he has a new grandbaby. I love it. It's so cool. Family heirlooms right there, buddy. Great job, Van. Beautiful work. Stephen Kuhn, his very first sign. And he made this for his daughter's real estate company. I talk to him quite often via email and phone, actually. Great job, Steve. Love it. This one is amazing.
Wow.
So, let me give you the backstory on this. Dennis Hawes, he made this table for himself. The picture does not definitely do it justice. These 3 poems were written by his grandmother 50 years ago. So he made this in honor of her and will become a family heirloom. So all 3 of those poems, and if you blow it up, you could read those. But amazing. Really, really cool. That is a lot of work. And it's all in tribute.
How big is the table?
I don't really have how big the table is. But that's got to be 3 foot square, I would say, at least, to get that many letters on it. So 3 poems his grandmother wrote over 50 years ago. Amazing. Amazing, Dennis. So this one's really cool. Dave at Cleves Woodworking. I know David. We met, I think, through Instagram. Huh?
Cleves Backyard Woodworking.
Yeah, I think so. Is that what it says on there?
Yeah.
Yep. There you go. 12 by 14, made out of poplar. And he actually attached a real live lure on there. That looks like a peacock bass to me. That would be my guess, the way it's colored. But very, very cool, David. I love it. I've never caught a peacock bass yet. It's on my list. Donna Owens, 1x6 select pine, almost 6 feet long. Beautiful work, man. By the way, guys, this takes us up through like middle of January. I wrote it down. Yeah, January through January 19th.
You're yelling.
Huh?
You're yelling.
Am I yelling? Sorry. Vicky says I'm yelling.
Stop it.
All right, Don. Great job, buddy. And keep up the great work, man. All right, I'll tone it down. I'm excited here. Brian Cox, 5th sign.
That's cool.
Very cool. Again, another great niche. If you guys if you're in towns where there's good football teams, that's a great niche to get into. You probably sell a lot of stuff. This is Brian's 5th sign. Terrific job, Brian. Tessa, look at this spectacular work. And that board,
that's beautiful.
I don't know what it looks like, spalted oak or something. I'm not sure what kind of wood that is, but it is spectacular. Great job, Tessa. Love it. Dodie Newtonfeld. Am I spelling Dodie correct? D-O-D-I-E? I can't remember if it's D-O-D-I-E or D-O-T-Y. I don't know. Growth charts for the great-grandkids.
Very cool.
Very, very neat. Great job, Dodie. This one's very
It's Dodie and Thomas.
Yep, Dodie and Thomas. This one is really interesting. Very first sign from Sylvester Irvin. But look at the marbled background that he did. I'm not even sure how he did that. I'm assuming with some white paint to put in that black background. Gives it kind of, I'm describing it as marbled, but really interesting. I kind of like it. It looks really cool, Sylvester. Very, very unique. Great job, man. For your first sign, that's pretty amazing. Les Snyder, Select Pine, and it is 5/4 Select Pine laminated. Beautiful job, man. That,
I like that daisy.
huh?
I like that daisy.
Yeah, it looks really cool, huh? Very nice. And that border around the outside, really well done, buddy. Nice job, Les. Craig Wallen. And so on this one, you guys might remember that I showed some chalky paint. And he used the Anvil Gray chalky paint on this. Carved the lines in the ribbon board the way we do, or the way we have, showed on video. Great job, Craig. Love it. Mike Considine. Mike from Boston. So, no wonder we see some clover leaves on there. Anyway, great job, Mike. Looks good, man. Keep up the great work, buddy. Chuck and Linda Ballard, last but not least. These people are so talented, and let alone being just amazing human beings.
And parents.
And have probably one of the coolest kids on the planet living with them, our buddy Corduroy. Just amazing talent, you guys. A God-given talent there that they're now using for making signs and lots of other stuff. Great job, Chuck and Linda. Absolutely love it.
My friends.
Yep, they're our friends from Atlanta. So that is it, guys. Like I mentioned yesterday, a note would be if any of these kind of give you inspiration like they do me, you might want to take some notes, and I'll have in the title the date, because after these leave here, they go to Facebook, and I don't have any way to really trace them. So make notes if some of these are motivating to you, so you can go back and look at them again. Thanks for watching, guys. It is a busy week, obviously. I'm wearing the same clothes that I wore for yesterday's video, and you might see these clothes again, because we've got so much going on. We got a demo coming up on Saturday in Phoenix. You'll be hearing more about that, but we'll be at the Wine Glass Bar Sawmill. Wine Glass Bar Sawmill, yes. Anyway, on Saturday. So hope you can join us out there if you're in the Phoenix area. Thanks again for watching. We love you. If you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love for you to subscribe and click that little bell icon, because this week we're doing 6 videos. Anyway, guys, have a great one. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.